Good morning, student. Today we will do our first experiment of analog and digital communication lab. So the aim of the experiment is study of AM transmitter and detector and observe the waveform at different test point and determine percentage of modulation index of AM. So the equipment required are AM transmitter and receiver trainer kit and CRO or DSO. So amplitude modulation. So what is the definition of amplitude modulation? We know that in amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the carrier signal changes according to the modulating signal. Amplitude modulation are of four types, that is DSB, FC, then DSB SC, then SSB SC, last one is the BSB. So DSB FC is the conventional amplitude modulation, that is double sideband full carrier, then double sideband suppressed carrier, then single sideband suppressed carrier, last one is the vestigial sideband. So today we will do experiment on DSB SC. Okay, after the observation means we observe the modulated signal. In that modulated signal, first we find out the maximum amplitude and minimum amplitude. Then by using these values we calculate the modulation index, that is A max minus A mean by A max plus A mean. Okay, so this is all about theory part. Let's do the experiment now.
Good morning, students. Now we will perform DSB-SC modulation and demodulation. This is the whole setup of DSB-SC modulation and demodulation experiment. As you know, first is the CRO, second part is the DSB-SC modulation trainer kit. Here this is the audio oscillator. That means we give the input as a oscillator. This is the audio amplifier. This is the carrier generator 1. This is your balance modulator and bandpass filter 1. Then this is the balance modulator and bandpass filter number 2. This is the output amplifier and this is your transmitting antenna. Now come to DSB-SC demodulation trainer kit. This is your receiving antenna. This is after receiving the antenna signal, receiving by the antenna, the signal comes to RF amplifier. Then it is divided into two parts. One part comes to mixture and another one goes to AGC circuit, IF amplifier 1. After signal comes to mixture, then comes to IF amplifier 1, then comes to IF amplifier number 2, then goes to product detector and a diode detector, then that combined and goes to audio amplifier. Then we get the output which signal we give as a input. Let's start how we get the output which signal we give as a input in the DSB-SC modulation trainer kit. Okay, let's start our experiment. Give the power to the trainer kit and switch on the CRO. Okay, let's check first our input signal. Now we give the input as a audio oscillator. Take our input signal. Look on the CRO. This is our input signal. We give, suppose we want to give input as a audio amplifier. We press this button, then check. Okay, look, one straight line. We check. Continuously one sound is coming. That means we select audio input as a sound. By sound we transmit the signal. We off this signal. Okay. Now check after the balance modulator, the signal passed after the balance modulator and bandpass filter number 1. This is the signal after pass the which signal we send after pass the balance modulator and bandpass filter number 1. Okay, look, here we take to see the our output. Look on this arrow. This is the after pass the our signal balance modulator and bandpass filter number 1. Then we check the our modulated signal in our output. This is their output. Okay, we check. Now look on the CRO. This is our signal after the modulation, and we check which signal transmitted by the antenna. Let's okay. Some oscillation is coming because of noise and vibration of my hand. Okay, now come to demodulation part. Now check in the demodulation trainer kit antenna which signal she received. Look, very much noise and disturbance coming because of noise. Which signal we transmitted, the antenna does not receive that signal. Let's check after passing the RF amplifier, our signal after passing the RF amplifier. Look, now also noise is coming. Now check. Look, AGC output is working for control. This AGC output is working for control the to remove the noise from the our signal. Okay, let's check our inputs. Okay, outputs we check, noise is coming. Now the signal not coming in the AGC circuit because the bottom in the out. We press this button. Now signal into the AGC circuit. Now check our output. Okay, some noise is removed. Now we tune the our signal. Some impulse we tune. Okay. Here we check the our signal. Okay, here we get the output which signal we send. Here after demodulation, that signal we again found here. Let's check our CRO. Look, that much similar to the our signal which signal we send. As we know how to calculate amplitude, this is your minimum. The smaller part is your minimum amplifier and a longer, this is your maximum amplifier. the modulation index formula is the V max minus V minimum by V max plus V minimum. We all know how to calculate the amplitude. The positive amplifier cover the boxes into each box's value. Suppose here the signal cover 3 boxes. Here one box value is 0.1 volt. That means 3 into 0.1 is equal to is the amplitude of the signal. Okay. Now we check. Suppose we out the signal. Okay. That means we want to tune the signal. By this knob we tuned our signals. Look on the CRO. At the point of approximate 70, the signal should be tuned. Now I again repeat, the AGC circuit used to remove the noise from our signal. When we press the signal into the AGC circuit, then it is go to output circuit. Now check our output. Now output is clear. Which signal we send? After that, first we send the signal that modulated, then this modulated signal transmit by the modulation antenna, then the demodulation antenna receive the signal, then it is goes to output by the AGC circuit. AGC circuit remove the noise and tuning knobs is used to tune the signal. After that we get our output, which signal we send as a input. That is, after the demodulation, same signal we get again. This is the basic of DSB AC modulation and demodulation. Thank you to watching the experiment of DSB AC modulation and demodulation. Thank you.